That on 11 July 2022, Gurdas Lodlekar, residents of Dharmapur, Salcete, Goa, lodged his complaint to the effect that between 19 June 2018 to 17 June 2018 at Margao, Goa, accused person Manuel da Costa, Samson Fernandez, residents of Dharmapur, without having valid recruitment license from the protector of the immigrant, induced the complainant to the part away with a cash of rupees 12 lakhs by depositing the same amount of accused number 2, which was further transferred into the account of accused number 1 on the pretext of providing visa documents and employment in USA to the complainant, and failed to do so, and also not return the money to the complainant, and thereby cheated the complainant to the tune of rupees 12 lakh. हेजेर एक FIR रजिस्टर केल्ली आसा की ह्या मनशान गुरदास म्हणटा तेणें कंप्लेंट दिल्ली आनी मॅन्युअल डिकोस्ता म्हणटा तेणें ताका चिटींग केलें 12 लॅक्साचें, आनी हेका आज आनी जसो ऑफेन्स जालो तेन्नाच्यान हो पळो नाशिल्लो आनी आयज ताका बॉम्बेच्यान धरून हाडला. आनी एकटो आसा तो मेळ्ळास तो आसा तो हांगा नावेली रावता, धर्मापूर रावता. दोन्ही अरेस्ट.
किती
सेक्शन तेजे 420 read with 34 IPC and section 10 24 of Immigration Act.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.